My name is Derisha Prophet. I am from Detroit, Michigan, and I work in a medical facility. My weight was definitely a challenge all my life. It became more of a challenge after I had my daughter, and that's actually when I was diagnosed with degenerative joint disease and arthritis. Once I kind of buckled down and just prayed about it, I had an appointment with Dr. Jeffrey Janal. I knew that that was the option, and I had the sleeve gastrectomy. I started working out. I started to lose weight. After losing about 100 pounds, I was able to go back to the ortho doctor. At that time, I was approved to get my knee surgery. With that, I am now able to walk miles. I'm able to run on a treadmill, and I am just in a different place where I'm able to live my life the way I want to, with no limits. Dancing represents like a new, stepping and dancing into a new me, a new life. I just feel like I'm dancing into my glory, into my season. To be able to do something like that and not feel pain, and to be able to move around as freely as I am, it is just something different. I just know that anything is possible, as long as you never give up.